Hi, welcome to EP Equipment South Anji Factory. Let's go take a look inside.
Behind us is our showroom,
showcasing our full product range from forklifts to robots. Here's our lithium-ion battery production hall, where we manufacture our batteries from start to finish.
Here you can see our rich shop production facility.
Behind me here is where we do the finishing of the forklifts.
Yes, in this area we do 100 forklifts per day.
Behind me we have our testing area for testing mass, energy consumption,
and ramps for testing gradability. Here we produce our heavy-duty heli trucks and stackers.
Now we are in our Anji North factory, our biggest factory,
and the most modern and intelligent production base.
Here in the first hall, you'll see lots of our EP Equipment cobots in action.
They are responsible for parts transportation and storage, and they move them from here to warehouses and assembly line.
Straight from the factory, we take trucks here to the loading bay to be taken to the dock and distributed across the world to our dealers.
This is our assembly line for the revolutionary F-Series and other light-duty heli trucks.
Behind me is a drive unit assembly and testing line for the F-Series and all light-duty pallet trucks.
这条线是自动焊接门架线，主要负责生产 CVL 和 FVL 的自动化生产。这条线即将投入使用。
Here is our coating line for pallet trucks.
This year, EP Equipment will celebrate our 11/11 event here in China as we invite our dealers and partners from around the world to visit our production facilities across 5 different factories. The dealers that come along to our event can expect to see new products, special promotional prices, and may even find themselves in this building behind me here.